Here we have the MG MCE. You know, this is a 2024 MG MCE. Tignan nyo naman, napakaganda dito sa loob. Check natin sa labas. Thank you pala MG Philippines and ANC group of companies for letting me borrow this MG MCE. And thank you as well Sir Char Sigua and Sir Steven Velasco for allowing me this opportunity test driving this MCE. Tama sir? Thank you. Thank you. Ikutan natin tong 2024 MCE. Alright, let's go for a drive na. Such a nice interior. Gusto ko yung red accent niya dito. Dito meron din siyang carbon accent and the red stitchings here. Meron na rin siyang auto hold function. Yung park niya. Ito na yung park or brake hold niya. Meron na rin siyang 360 degree camera. Nice. Meron din siyang Apple CarPlay. Meron siyang 12 volt socket, dalawang USB-C, and meron siyang physical buttons dito, aside dito sa parang tablet niya na infotainment system. Digital na rin pala yung instrument panel niya. And na-adjust naman yung steering niya dito, up and down. Hindi siya telescopic. Okay. Tapos automatic yung upuan niya dito. Meron siyang 2 cup holders. Very nice. Meron din pala siyang sunroof. Ayun, sina sir. What's up? Try natin yung sunroof niya. Sir, how much is this 2024 MG MCE?
Actually, from the top of the line will be 1,088,888. So 1,088,888. Yes.
And yun po yung top of the line niya?
Yes, for the Lux bar. Actually, this is the Lux bar.
Ah, this is the Lux bar. Yan, kaya po meron siya mga accent po, no? And then the base variant po niya is?
It's from 900,000.
Oh, okay. Nice. Nice. Parang natataas tong... natatanggal pa to sunroof niya. Very nice. Oh, okay. Okay. So, let's go for a drive. Okay. This MCE pala comes with 114 horsepower with 150 newton meters of torque, paired with a 8-speed CVT automatic transmission. Nice. Try natin siya sa real world. Dito niya pala soft touch materials yung ginamit dito, no? Pati yun dito sa accent niya dito sa carbon. Very nice sa ano, sa feel sa yung soft touch materials, lalo na dito. And then here, and hard plastics na siya sa door panels. Pwede na tayo lumiko dito. Nice yung manual niya. Meron siyang manual dito. Ayos yung steering feel niya, and this is a crossover, no, para ka rin lang nang nakasakay sa kotse na lifted. And ayos yung driving feel niya, wala masyadong body roll, and then malakas siya for its body, 114. Nice drive. 2024 MG MCE. Nice. 2024 MG MCE. Nice one. Thank you nga pala kay Sir Steven Velasco. Ayan, if you have any inquiries with this specific unit or any MG models that you may have, kontakin nyo lang si Sir Steven Velasco. Ayan si Sir. Like nyo na rin yung Facebook niya, Sir.
Hi po, bali supportahan niyo po si Sir Austin po sa automotive vlog niya. So kung may mga inquiries po kayo about sa MG po natin, ZS MCE and other MG cars natin, just inquire my page po, MG San Fernando by Steven, or sa Facebook page ko po, MG Steven Valencia po. Then hopefully nakita niyo naman po yung vlog ni Sir Austin po kung gaano po ka-smooth yung MG natin sa performance. So yun guys, hope to see you there sa showroom namin sa Dolores, San Fernando, Pampanga guys. Thank you po.
Thank you, sir. And thank you rin, Sir Char.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for the opportunity, sir.